Are you ready to take the next step in your education and study in UK? Today we are diving into how to fill out the UK student visa application form online for 2025. This process can seem daunting, but I am here to break it down into simple and actionable steps. Step 1. Gather your document. Before you start your application, make sure you have all the necessary documents on hand, such as current passport. This is your primary identification. Confirmation of acceptance for studies or CAS. This document shows that you have been accepted into a course by licensed institution and includes a unique reference number. Passport size photograph. Ensure it meets the UK visa requirements. Assessment documentation. This may include proof of funds and other relevant information. Step 2. Start your online application. All application must be completed online. Head over to the official UK government website to begin. Here's what you need to do. Create or log into your UK visas and immigration UKVI account. Follow the prompts to fill out your personal information and upload your documents. Step 3. Prove your identity. Depending on your location, you will need to verify your identity. You might use the UK Immigration ID Check app or Visa, a visa application center, to provide biometric information, including fingerprints and digital photo. Step 4. Book your appointment. Once your application is submitted, you will need to schedule an appointment with UKVI for biometric scanning. This is crucial for obtaining your biometric residence permit BRP. Step 5. Pay your fees. The visa application fees is currently £490. Be prepared to also pay a healthcare surcharge as a part of your application. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will well on your way to securing your UK student visa. Remember, timing is key. Apply at least 6 months before your course starts to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on studying abroad. Good luck with your application.